Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Engineering Department. This is Akash Agrawal, Head of Department at LG Polytechnic. In this video, we will discuss about the subject hydraulics, and the topic which we cover in this video is hydraulic coefficients. Let's start the session. The contents are Venn contractor, hydraulic coefficients, and the relationship between coefficient of velocity, coefficient of contraction, and the coefficient of discharge. Before going to study the hydraulic coefficient, first we need to study the concept of Venn contractor. Now, what do you mean by Venn contractor? Consider a tank fitted with an orifice as shown in figure. Orifice is an opening in a tank through which the liquid flows out. The maximum contraction of the jet takes place at the section CC at a distance d by 2 from the wall of the tank, where jet is more or less horizontal. The section CC at distance d by 2 from the face of the wall of the tank at which contraction of jet is maximum is known as Venn contractor. Further, we study about the hydraulic coefficient. The following three coefficients are known as hydraulic coefficient, that are coefficient of contraction CC, coefficient of velocity that is denoted by CV, and the coefficient of discharge that is denoted as CD. Let's start with the first hydraulic coefficient, that is coefficient of contraction. As you can see the image, coefficient of contraction is defined as the ratio of area of jet at Venn contractor to the area of orifice. It is denoted by CC is equal to area of jet at Venn contractor divided by area of orifice. Now CC is equal to actual area upon theoretical area. Actual area is represented as A actual and theoretical area represented as A theoretical. Now CC becomes A actual upon A theoretical. The average value of CC is about 0.64. Now the second hydraulic coefficient, that is coefficient of velocity, as you can see, it is defined as the ratio of actual velocity of jet at Venn contractor to the theoretical velocity. Now coefficient of velocity represented by CV. CV is equal to actual velocity of jet at Venn contractor divided by theoretical velocity. CV is equal to actual velocity upon theoretical velocity. Now CV is equal to actual velocity is represented by V actual and the theoretical velocity is represented by V theoretical. Now CV is equal to V actual upon V theoretical. An average value of CV varies from 0.95 to 0.99. Now the third hydraulic coefficient, that is coefficient of discharge. Coefficient of discharge is represented by CD. CD is equal to actual discharge upon theoretical discharge. Again, it is the ratio of actual discharge to the theoretical discharge. CD is equal to Q actual upon Q theoretical. The average value of CD is about 0.62. Now further, we'll discuss about the relationship between all the three hydraulic coefficients, that is CC, CV and CD. Now first we assume the coefficient of discharge. CD is equal to actual discharge upon theoretical discharge. Actual discharge is denoted by Q actual and theoretical discharge is denoted as Q theoretical. Now we all know that discharge Q is equal to area into velocity, means A into V. CD is equal to, if we represent as Q actual is equal to A actual into V actual, and if we go to Q theoretical, then it becomes as A theoretical into V theoretical. Putting all these two values in the equation, then CD is equal to A actual into V actual upon A theoretical into V theoretical. Now as we all know, CC, that is coefficient of contraction, is equal to A actual upon A theoretical, and CV, that is coefficient of velocity, is equal to V actual upon V theoretical. From the above two equation, we will get the relationship between all the three as CD is equal to CC into CV. Okay, so we conclude our session here. In this video, I hope all you have understood the basic concepts of hydraulic coefficient. If you gone through the video session thoroughly, now it's time to evaluate yourself as how much you understood the concept of hydraulic coefficient. Here, as mentioned, You have to answer the question and give the quiz exam from the given link. Till then, thank you.